Hey, you are most welcome here. So today I'm just going to show you quickly how you can create an outline. Basically, an outline is an easy way of looking through a long document by just perusing through the different topics on your left side. For example, to enable this in your Google Docs, you just have to come to view. Before I continue, my name is Ronnie Afroboytex, and I'm glad that you chose this particular channel. So you just come to here, you just check this show outline, and check this, automatically it comes here. But remember, now a text is not structured the way how the outline should come out. Basically it picks titles and headings, so you want to format your text to something like that. So I would come here, maybe just add a little summary. I would just say maybe progress update. This is a project I was working on in some software boot camp. I'll just say alib progress challenges maybe, and update. And then for me to be able to recognize that this is a different topic and this maybe is a different, for example, here I have challenges, I have another title here, I have another title here. So what I can do, if actually the document is too long and I want to look through to be able to easily maneuver through the document using the left side panel, I just come here and I highlight the first one. It's just normal text, as you can see here. So I come to this, it's kind of like a ribbon. Yeah, it's a ribbon. So you come here and then you can select title, but I would maybe prefer heading. I'll say heading 2, and you see automatically when I select it, it comes here. That's how basically an outline works. You can even use this little cancelling float button to remove it. Then when I come and scroll down and I say unexpected non-technical challenges, for example, this is under challenges and this is under here, I could just come and then this gave it an H2. Then you can give this an H3, and when you do this you can see this shows that this is part of this. So basically that's how you can do. That means I can come in here, I do change this to H3, then I come here. Now this maybe is different from challenges, that just updates. I can switch back to H2. You can see how it's coming out. Then here I can maybe go back to, still maybe I can go to H2, and then if I have something else here, let's say just have a new heading maybe, and you want it to be under progress, you can just give it an H3. So basically I just play around with those heading formats and you'll be good to go. And that's it for this article. It is quite short, and see you in the next video.